Nashville Superspeedway, track night in America. Hey, Skillbite here. I literally just got my car back from having the fender paint protection film put on, and I'm at Nashville Superspeedway at the track night in America. No, I can't run, but I thought I'd swing over here and show you a little bit of what's happening today. It's super windy. There's a good number here. It's a school night, which some people couldn't make it, college, high school, but there's still a good number here, and there's been a lot of people helping, you know, with tools and stuff, other people needing them. Always a good group here, car guys, you know. Fastest part of the course is about right there, a little bit past the start finish line, where you have to start slowing. It's very windy. Nice right-hand drive. Supra. All right. A little closer. This is where they line up to go out on track for the next session. So the pits, the garage is just back there, and they come line up facing the grandstands. And then the other group will get the checkered, come in basically on the other side of that media center building and into the garage. So that was novice that were out on the track. They're just coming in now, and I believe advanced are heading out. As you can see, there's all kinds of different cars, from modified ones to really sweet rides to pretty much stock. So it's very different. And everybody's having fun. Not sure the SUV was out on the track. I don't know. Maybe. Checking air pressure. says Mazda on the front. Huh. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and have fun. Alright, it's only been 41.8 miles since the fuel pump recall, but 33.5 average miles per gallon. That's more than I was getting before I had it, so I ain't complaining.